Need to catch up on some old transactions in QuickBooks Online? Or maybe you've got some entries that just won't sync automatically. I'm going to show you exactly how to enter bank transactions manually and when you should actually use this method. Hi, my name is Gerard Ruiz. I'm a CPA and I've been writing about QuickBooks Online since 2021. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to enter bank transactions directly into the check register and show you how to edit them if needed. But before we start, I just want to remind you that this method isn't recommended for routine bank transaction recording. So if you're looking for that instead, check out the video that will appear in the upper right of this screen. With that settled, let's go to QuickBooks Online. Alright, let's start by accessing the chart of accounts. Look at the left sidebar menu and find the Transactions section. Click on Chart of Accounts. And here's a helpful feature. See that ribbon icon next to it? If you click that ribbon, QuickBooks will bookmark the chart of accounts for you, and it will show up under the Bookmarks section. This is super handy if you find yourself accessing the chart of accounts frequently. You'll be able to get there in just one click. Next, we need to open the check register. To do that, hover over the account and click on View Register. The register is basically your control center where you can modify, edit, and delete transactions that affect your accounts. In normal day-to-day accounting, you should rarely need to access it because QuickBooks automatically records transactions here when you create invoices or bills, receive payments, and create sales receipts. Now, let's take a look at the check register itself. To add a transaction, click on Add Check and select the kind of transaction that you want to enter. When you're entering transactions, I highly recommend filling out all the available fields for each transaction to keep your records complete. But if you're in a hurry, the only fields that are actually required are the date, the reference number, the payee, the account, and the amount, which can either be payment or deposit. These will get the job done. You might be wondering, what about all other transaction types? Well, there are many other transaction types that will flow in from other input methods throughout QuickBooks. It's generally better to enter transactions through their proper input screens rather than going straight into the check register. And if you want to edit an existing transaction, you can select the transaction and then click Edit. It's the same interface as creating a new transaction, so you find it familiar and easy to navigate. When you're done, click Save and Close. And that's how you enter bank transactions in QuickBooks Online manually. Remember, this method is perfect for those catch-up situations or when you need to add transactions that didn't sync automatically. If you want to master more QuickBooks features, we've got over 42 free QuickBooks tutorials waiting for you. And if this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. It helps us create more content like this for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.